How to create a flight map animation in Canva in just 10 seconds. First, go to Canva and click Video. Then select Landscape Video. On the left, click Apps and search for Map Video. Then select this one. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Choose a plane you like. Set Germany as your starting point. Then choose Australia as your destination. You can choose any country around the world. Make sure both of these options are checked. Finally, click Create Video. Once it's generated, click Add to Design. Resize the video to fit your design. You can also adjust the video duration from the top. Now play it back. You are done. Follow me for more.